watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather, coverage you can count on.
It is not an exaggeration to call today a spring-like day. This is earlier today in downtown Chico. What a beautiful day, and it is hard to believe that some big changes are coming our way based on today's weather. Here's Jason with a look at our forecast.
Yeah, it's not going to last much longer. Hopefully you're able to enjoy this day, especially if you had the day off. It was a nice day to be outside. Not a lot of wind, plenty of sunshine, and above average warmth. Look where today's highs ended up climbing to. We had a high of 68 degrees in Oroville. It was 70 degrees in Chico, Weaverville, and Corning. Red Bluff was 79, but look at Redding, 80 degrees, a record-tying high, say that 5 times fast, from 35 years ago. But it will not be this warm again for a long time. We have 3 storms moving our direction, and we already have the high clouds moving closer to us in advance of the first lobe of low pressure moving our way. We'll have a partly cloudy sky tonight at 11. We'll also have increasing clouds by tomorrow morning in the morning, and then by noon we'll have some more snow showers already falling over our northern mountains. Not much precipitation for the valley or foothills. Slight chance for showers, but a lot more wind than anything else. Same thing tomorrow evening. We'll have some mountain snow showers, a lot of gusty wind. We'll have a little bit more cloud cover through the day on Wednesday. Here's 5 o'clock Wednesday. Some more isolated rain showers for the valley. A better chance for mountain snow. Nothing too heavy, but we're still going to have many more chances for rain and snow going forward. A second storm comes in on Thursday. We won't have a lot of wind with this, but a better chance for valley rain and mountain snow. And with the colder air we're expecting, we cannot rule out some rain and snow mixes around the valley, most of which is going to be in the foothills, however. But we're going to have those snow levels at least at 1,000 feet, and in some places at 1,000 feet, 2 to 8 inches of snow possible Thursday and Friday, and then a third storm is going to move our way by Sunday and Monday after a break on Saturday. Saturday is going to be the quietest day for us. More wind coming next Monday, as well as mountain snow and valley rain. So I want to show you the short-term precipitation, and it's not very heavy for anyone. This is the first storm all the way through Wednesday night and early Thursday. Most places receiving less than 1/3 of an inch of precipitation. Higher elevations a little bit more than that. Most of the snow is going to be less than 6 to 7 inches. But again, this is just the first of 3 storms. Coming up the second half hour, I'm going to show you the long term with the 2 other storms moving our way. And you'll notice how much more rain and snow that we're expecting. And through the day, tomorrow, especially by noon, we're going to have a lot of gusty wind between 30 and 45 miles an hour in much of Northern California. Not just the valley or the foothills, the higher elevations too. Wednesday will not be quite as windy, but it'll still be a breezy day. And it's going to last all the way until Thursday and Friday. So for much of Northern California, wind advisories from tomorrow morning through early Wednesday morning. Some gusts could exceed 50 to 55 miles an hour. So bring those loose objects in today while things are relatively calm. Then a lot of winter storm watches and warnings out. I'm just going to show you the warnings because they're encompassing almost all of our mountains. For the northern mountains from tomorrow afternoon through Thursday afternoon, we could receive over 16 inches of snow above 1,000 feet. For the mountains north of Redding from Thursday morning through Friday afternoon, 6 to 15 inches of snow. If you're going to try to drive north, that is going to impact your travel. And then for areas around the ridge from Wednesday through Saturday, between 1,000 and 1,500 feet, we could have 2 to 8 inches of snow. Above 1,500 feet, 1 to 2 feet. And all the way through Saturday, high elevations above 5,000 feet could have between 3 and 5 feet of snow. So mountain travel will be discouraged, especially late this week into the weekend. Tonight, we won't be quite as cold as they have been recently. Lows in the valley in the 40s, 20s and 30s for the higher terrain. Highs not as warm as today. 40s for the mountains, 50s for the foothills, and lower 60s for the valley instead of the upper 70s and lower 80s. Next 7 days in Chico, a good chance for some rain. Lots of gusty wind tomorrow, but most of the rain will be on Thursday and Friday, and we cannot rule out some rain and snow mixes around the valley both of those mornings. And then for the Redding area, look at those temperatures. Today it was 80. By Thursday and Friday, how about those highs in the mid to upper 40s? Also a better chance for some rain and snow mixes during the morning for the northern part of the valley those mornings, and then starting to warm up by the weekend.
Thank you, Jason.